Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend. From Dandasana, breathe in and stretch your hands up. Breathe out and bend forward from the lower back. Pull the abdomen in and try to hold the feet firmly, face towards the knee or shin. Keep breathing while holding this pose. And after a few breaths, slowly inhale and come up. And exhale, relax your hands down.